We're driving all around town for this vlog. Starting this one out in Lakewood. I'm gonna be honest, a lot of this stuff's been pretty mediocre. The jerseys and stuff like that. Like $130 for this. This isn't bad. $30 for Ken Griffey right here. Got a couple of larges. Are these kids? Oh yeah, these are large kids. All the kid stuff, it looks like they're really discounted. $30 for the Lucas. But for the adult apparel, pretty mediocre. $70 for Cooper Cup. Donald right here, $120. Checking the small t-shirt section. Just not finding much. $26 for Dodgers. Clipper shorts right here. $40. That is a Jordan one. $2 bin right here. Got a couple stand socks. Or one. Clippers one's going for $2. The last place I got it at, it was 30% off, so I got it for like $1.40. Oh, that's not Clippers. My bad, that's right. That is a Clippers. Zion. Got $5 bin right here. Golden State auto emblems. Got a Green Bay one. Oh, Golden State colored one. Haven't seen the colored ones. Cowboys auto emblem right here. $5. Is it 30 off on top? Got a Rams one right here as well. Let's see if they're 30 off on top. Oh, and then look, they got more. Ooh. No, there's no way. This is $10, 30 off. There's no way. There's no way. I'm gonna ask. And then they got the Patriot ones right here. I'll definitely have to grab one of these. Dodgers flag right here. All supposedly $10. I did talk to one of the workers. I was like, hey, that Cowboys one? No, that one was placed in the wrong spot. So yeah, this is $10 right here. These are both $5. And apparently, yeah, you don't get the extra 30 off. I don't think they did it right at Lids out in Cerritos, but I'm all good with that. I'm probably gonna grab these. Let me look around some more. They do have other sales tags right here. $10 for some of these Funko Pops right here. I don't really collect Funko Pops though. You know, like these AD ones are $10. Oh, so some of them are on sale. Not even all of them. I see Kevin Durant not on sale. Probably this section right here, but they're only $13 though. So down to 10. It's not even that big of a deal. What, really? They got the Ray Allen ones. I believe those are on sale. I've seen them on sale at some of the other spots. Christian McCaffrey. I doubt this one's on sale. $45, really? Yeah, he put the ones back there, but this one is on sale though. It is one of the older ones. I think the newer ones. This one, so I think that's why this one's on sale. Remember, it just has to do with how long it's been sitting on the shelf. If it sits on the shelf for a long time, they get rid of it. It is what it is. That's the signs that I've been looking for. Look at this. Cowboys throw, normally 30 down to $10. It is pretty thin. Cowboys. Got a few of them. Got Angels ones right here as well for $10. They got other auto emblems right here. Lakers ones. These are all going for $5. These are normally 15, so not bad. See if I missed anything else. I don't think so. Told them I don't need a bag. The original cost was like $78, something like that. I ended up paying, what was it, like $20? $20 plus tax. So $22. Pretty freaking crazy. Now we're at the South Bay Galleria. In this spot they do have a fans right here. I think I picked up a few things here last time, didn't I? I still don't remember. They'll kind of go together. They do have Lakers lanyards right here. What they talking about? It says $11, an extra 30 off. Is that the price, really? Yeah, I don't see any of them marked down. FSU socks right here, $10. Angel socks, I don't know, it says 20, 22. Got the auto emblems. They're not marked down. I don't think things are marked. Got cups right here. Like nothing here is marked. These were $5 the last spot I went to. These were $10. Nothing here is marked. This one, if I had a top, I would grab that for my brother-in-law. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. At the last spot, the Angels blankets, they were $10. but they're not marked. I don't think these are marked. I don't think these are marked. This was $10 for sure at the last spot. They probably don't want to mark them because they're gonna have to take all them off tomorrow, right? Hope you guys caught all my shorts. I did a short, I did a regular video showing you guys. Hopefully you guys were able to grab them. Look at this, like $10, another 30 off. So that's what, freaking $7. Definitely not seeing the jerseys that we did see before. Aaron Donald t-shirt right here, $25. Remember, you get 30 off all these prices. $20 for this one. SC 15, Dodgers 20. It's a medium right here. $14 for the Boston Red Sox t-shirt. Pretty dope Lakers hoodie. Feels like a dry fit material, kind of like a thin tech fleece. $90. Normally $150. So that goes down to about $67. $63, $70 for this one before the discount. XL Miami t-shirt right here, $15. Jets, $15. But those are players that aren't even there anymore. $15 for these XL. Yeah, normally I hit up all these spots like at the beginning of the sale, and I wasn't in the country, unfortunately, so it didn't really work out. They do have $10 hats right here, 20 below, 20 and below. Anything marked 20 and below, $10. New York hat right here, definitely interesting. Like the material is interesting as well. This is $10. These are fitted hats too. Adjustable hat right here. Clippers hat right here. Giants hat. The Bengals, adjustable hats. Clippers, adjustable. Trucker hat right here. They got hats right here. Look, fitted hats. $20 down to $10. These are fitted New Eras. And then they got more jerseys, but AD jerseys overpriced at $75. Luka jerseys, these are $75 as well. Yeah, dude, I don't know about the jersey prices right now. Before, we've been able to find a bunch of jersey steals. And then one last mall on the way home, Culver City. And here we do have a Pro Image. That's pretty legit. And of course, they got plenty of apparel and jerseys. But they got this dope $40 section right here. They got jackets, windbreakers right here. These are team apparel windbreakers. $125 down to $40. Got several sizes of these Dallas ones right here. Steelers hoodie right here, team apparel. And this is $40. Obviously, the retail way higher at $125. We've even seen jerseys here in the past. We got starter. See, this starter is better than that other stuff that we did see. Not by that much, not great, but still. I've seen better starter stuff. $170 for these. Rams baseball, $40. Yeah, like I think this stuff is better. But yeah, these are going for $40, really? Really? $170 down to $40, really? That's actually a really good price for these. Holy cow. Holy cow. $170. $100 to $40 right here. 3XO. Lakers New Era hoodie right here. Damn, dude, these prices are kind of crazy. Yeah, $100 down to $40. 49ers jacket. This is a women's jacket though, double XL. What the hell? But yeah, they sell it cheap. 41 Nowitzki. $135 to $40. Yeah, 3XL. Lakers Mitchell and Ness. This is a large right here. $40, normally $100. Women's XL right here. Large XL. Damn, dude, they got some dope stuff. Yeah, they got some dope stuff for $40. Mitchell and Ness Raiders right here. Windbreakers, $40. Damn, dude. $40, yeah, man, but $40, damn. That other starter jacket over there that I saw earlier didn't even have a lining or anything. This one has some decent lining. Probably something inside to kind of insulate. This is oversized. Kind of big. It is a small. Pretty decent. I just don't know if I wear that. I love hoodies and stuff, but I don't know if I need this. Thinking about it. That's the front right there. That's the back. Thinking about it. Do I need a thick jacket like that? The only other teams, they got Cowboys right here, and they just got a couple of mediums. Also got $20 hats, so a lot of these hats I think are $20 freaking dollars. A lot of snapbacks. Like, I've never even seen this hat before. Kind of dope. It's a fitted hat, 20 bucks. Normally 45. Definitely worth stopping by, guys. I got all kinds of fitted hats for 20 bucks. Damn. Told you guys are all franchise owned. When they get rid of stuff, this spot right here, they get rid of stuff for hella cheap. Wow, I've seen Lakers jerseys and stuff. Make sure you guys check this spot out. They redid the JD Sports here a couple years ago. Apparently they're redoing the Foot Locker, making it super huge. All right, let's check out this Lids. This might be my last store for the weekend. Let's look around here. And I've been neglecting this one. This one does usually have some of the dopest stuff. There's a $5 bin, $10 bin, a $20 bin over here. Dang, they got these for 20. I want to say I grabbed mine for less, no? It's like the pricing's like different for each spot. $10 for this one. This one looks so beat up though. What the hell? And then someone put it in the $5 bin. All right, so let's check out the $5 bin right here. Got a little Lakers basketball for 5 bucks. $5 for the Rams emblem. What they call it, the auto emblem or whatever. $5 for the Morant socks. Trey Young characters right here, 5 bucks. I got some random $2 items on the bottom. Got some Cooper Cup socks right here, $10. Lakers, 10 bucks. This is a $10 section right here. Got a $10 for a, whoa, this is actually fire, dude. Holy crap. I don't know any Golden State fans, but $10 for Golden State chain? That's crazy. Another Warriors one right here. Got some, these are deodorizer for hats. 10 bucks, a 10 pack. And the 20, I don't really think there's much here. And of course they do have jerseys and t-shirts. MB jerseys, I think this is off retail though, right? Yeah, 120, 30 off. Syracuse jersey right here, 130. It's Carmelo jerseys. Got Larry Johnson. All these I think are retail, which is what, 135 minus. Oh no, these are 101. Get 30 off on top. I hope you guys were able to grab something during the sale. Mike Bibby. I'm like old enough to remember Henry Bibby, his dad. I think I said that in one of the videos a while back. I'm like, damn, I'm old. 135. A lot of these Kemp jerseys right here, a lot of these are 135. You do get that extra 30 off. And then this rack right here is supposed to be marked down, and then you get another 30 off on top. And in the past we see some crazy deals. Not today, not this round of sales, to be really honest. Not this round of the semi-annual clearance sales. It's been very mediocre compared to prior years. Baseball jersey right here. This is a Blue Jays. I don't know the player though. 25 bucks. You get all kinds of extra hair too, but 25 bucks you get an extra 30% off on top. You got Griffey right here. These have been hella cheap. Oh, 91, wasn't it? Hella cheap at that other spot? Oh, that was for kids. There were kids jerseys. I think this are kids too. I don't know. Things are all so messed up. Yeah, that doesn't make sense because the retail on this. Oh, that's different because one's a kids, one's a men's. Rams jerseys, Aaron Donald, $120. Marlins jersey, 91. 90 for the Wilt Chamberlain medium jersey. Ooh, this is dope. Shaquille O'Neal, $90. I bought the same one for like 30 bucks from Lids. What the hell is going on? That's a medium. Golden State Warriors pants right here, 50 bucks for that one. Wemby. Yeah, these haven't been cheap. Yeah, 90 and then 30 off. Stuff that we've seen at other spots. Kind of disappointing, to be really honest. Some of these accessories and stuff have been dope, but other than that, been pretty mediocre. Yeah, don't really see any other sales tags. Like, it's weird because some of this stuff has been on sale at some of the spots, but not Not at every spot, just been weird. Been weird. I don't know what to say. $10 hat selection, really not bad, especially with their fitted hats. Look at this, fitted hats going for 10 bucks. Jackie Robinson, if you got the Jackie Robinson dunks or something, this is perfect. $10. But by the time this movie comes out, this deal will be over. Give you guys plenty of heads up, so if you guys missed the deal, that's on you guys, man. It's on you guys. I like the material on this one. Material way different, like a knit material. $10 freaking dollars. Did forget to show you guys what I do have on feet. Got these bad boys, Air Force 2s. Yeah, most of you guys haven't heard of Air Force 2s. Recently, we found out about Air Force 3s on my channel because I wasn't even aware of those. But yeah, they look very Dunk-esque with the Nike sign on the back. Slightly few small differences as well. And then I'm wearing a tank top, cargo shorts. It's hot outside, I don't know. Thinking about that Niners jacket, do I grab them? I don't like the way they fit, that's the big thing. I'm still thinking about it because it's such a good price. I've been so unimpressed with the prices with a lot of the apparel. I forgot, I didn't even check the t-shirt section over here. T-shirts, hoodies. But I didn't really see much. I did look around right here. Did not really see that much. And even like the t-shirts and stuff they did have. Pretty whatever. Like price-wise and stuff. Just not impressed. Not impressed. Yeah, it is what it is. That's kind of dope though. That is kind of dope. $65 for a t-shirt though. Kind of crazy, but that is pretty dope if you're a Mookie Betts fan. 65 bucks, kind of nuts. Oh, they did finally open up one of these. This is like a kid's Foot Locker, but a lot more apparel and stuff. This mall seems to be doing a lot better than a lot of the other malls that have been struggling like crazy. Seems to be bustling. See quite a lot of people here. They have a Pop Mart store right there as well. Changed my mind like 5 times. I should get it, I shouldn't get it, I shouldn't get it, I shouldn't get it. You know what? I'm gonna say no. If I have to think about it that much, I'm good. Some of y'all are gonna bitch and moan about, hey, this is coming out after the fact or after the sale's over. For those of you guys that have been following my channel for years, we've been covering this every year. They have the sale twice a year. It comes out every January, comes out every July. First thing in January, first thing in July, they usually have the sale. And then the second thing is, I showed you guys this right after I got back from Korea. I put a ton of time and effort into hitting a couple of these up. So yeah, you guys should know. Y'all should know. But yeah, stay tuned. Got plenty more coming. See you guys.